Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. I hope you all will be fine and you will be enjoying your vacations. Today we have the fourth lecture of the June. So it's our fourth video. Our topic is Unit 3, page 14. Today we are going to start the reading and explanation of Unit 3, page 14. So open your books on page 14. In this unit, you will find a picture of a very nice animal, which seems to be like a bear. It is a kind of a bear which name is koala, and it's mostly found in Australia. As you see this animal, it is a kind of a bear, but it belongs to the kangaroo family. When you will read the unit, then you will be able to understand that which animal is this. But see, its body is furry. It has fur on its body. You know what's a fur? Fur is not a kind of the furs as you see on the uh, hands and birds. It's a kind of that's what which you find on animals' body. A hairy structures, and you can see as the structure of the carpets or the rugs or the velvet suits, a very soft structures, a small hairs. So it's called fur. Now we are going to start our unit. Unit 3, page 14. Comprehension. Koala, koalas, not bear. Its pronunciation is koala. People often think people often think that koalas are bears, but although they look a bit like a teddy bear, a look a look a bit like means very little. It means it seems to be not exactly there are the bears. It seems to be उनकी तरह थोड़े से नजर आते हैं. They look a bit like a teddy bear. They they belong to the kangaroo family. They belong to kangaroo family. It means they have resemblance with kangaroo animals. As the structures of the kangaroo animals, like what is the speciality of kangaroo? That they have the pouches in front of their bellies are on their abdomens. At their bellies, they have a pouch-like structure. So they have also the same. Again, I'm repeating. They belong to kangaroo family. Koalas and kangaroos are marsupials. Koala and kangaroos are marsupials. Now, what is marsupials? Marsupial is a kind of mammals, that mammals which give birth to their animals in a very which gives birth to their babies in a very early age. Means they are too young, they cannot walk, they cannot jump, as mostly the animals babies, they are strong enough when they give birth to their babies. After a few hours or after one day, they start walking and crawling. Now these animals, when they give birth to their young ones, they are too young, they are not enough strong, they are not even fully built up, they are not fully developed. So, marsupial are those mammals, those animals that give birth, that give birth to their babies when the babies are not fully developed, when they are not fully matured, when they are not fully formed, when they are not fully developed. Koalas have their babies growing inside for only about 40 days. For only about 40 days, they are in their mother's means worms in their mother's body. Koalas have pouches. They have pouches. What is a pouch? Pouch is a kind of a pocket which is built on at their abdomens. So koalas have pouches which you have seen in the kangaroos. Koalas have pouches. A baby koala is called a joey. What is the name of baby koala? It is called Joey. As the baby of cat is called kitten. As the baby of sheep is called lamb. So a baby koala is called Joey and is about the size of a jelly bean. It means it's very small, very small. As you have seen a candies, as you have seen the candy, jelly bean is kind of a candy. So they are too small, like the sweets. When it is born, it is bright pink and has no hair and no ears and is blind. Blind means unable to see. Who is a blind? Blind is a person who cannot see. So they are sightless. They have no vision. They cannot see anything. It, again I'm repeating, it is bright pink. What is its color? It is bright pink. Pink means because they have no fur, so their skin is pink. They have only a layer of skin, so it is bright pink and has no hairs. They have no furs on their body and no ears and is blind. But it is already a great little climber. It is a great little climber. Means they have ability to climb on its mother body. Like the insects, they can crawl on its mother's body. The newborn joey climbs through its mother's fur until it gets to her pouch, and they and there it and look at the books, and there it stays, and there it stays for over 5 months, and there it stays over for 5 months. When while in the pouch the joy drink its mother milk. It means it just feeds on its mother's milk. When they give birth to the joy, it crawls on the mother's body, and then it reaches its to the pouch where they feed just on mother's drink. When on mother's milk, when it is strong enough, when it is strong enough, it starts to peep out of the pouch. To peep out of the pouch. What is the meaning of peep? Peep is a shrilling sound of a bird. As you have seen, you have heard the sound of the young hatched bird. When the birds hatch from the when the birds come out from the egg. So it start chirping sounds, a very thrilling sound, a very, you can say, slight sound. So this is called peep. It then moves from pouch to back. It then moves from pouch to back. The baby, the baby koala, the baby koala drinks its mother's milk until it is about a year old, but it also has something new on its menu. Eucalyptus leaves. What is eucalyptus? Eucalyptus is a kind of evergreen trees which are mostly found in Australia. So on that leaves they take from that leaves they get their food. So when they start growing after the mother milk or along with the mother's milk, they also eat the eucalyptus leaves. Is it a menu means? What is the menu? As when we go to the hotel, we get the menu. Menu means a list of the foods. Or menu itself means the meal. What is, for example, when you go to your home, you ask your mama, what is the menu of dinner? Means what you are going to eat in the dinner, what you are going to eat in the lunch. So menu means the meal itself. And it also means the list of the meal or the list of the dishes which you get in the hotel. Our menu is also called the list of applications which is found on the display of computer, on the display of the mobile. Is it clear? So I hope you would have understood. Now I am just repeating the chapter, the reading. People often think that koalas are bears, but although bit they look a bit like a teddy bear, they belong to the kangaroo family. Koalas and kangaroo are marsupials. Marsupials are animals that give birth to their babies. When the babies are not fully developed, koalas have their babies growing inside for only about 40 days. Koalas have pouches. A baby koala is called a joey and is about the size of a jelly bean. When it is born, it is bright pink and has no hair and no ears and is blind, but it is already a great little climber. The newborn joey climbs through its mother's fur until it gets to her pouch, and there it stays for over 5 months. While in the pouch, the joey drinks its mother's milk. When it is strong enough, it starts to peep out of the pouch. It then moves from pouch to back. The baby the baby koala drink its mother's milk until it is about a year old. Means for 1 year they feed on mother's milk. But it also has something new on the menu: eucalyptus leaves. The facts about the furry fuzzballs we will do in the next lecture. I hope you would have understood. Stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you, class.